Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW X5 key battery. For many BMW X5 models, your key fob actually contains a rechargeable battery. This battery is designed to charge automatically whenever the key is inserted into the ignition slot. This inductive charging process ensures your key remains powered for comfort access and remote functions. Understanding how this works is simple. When your key is in the ignition, the car uses inductive technology to transfer power to the key's internal battery. This is similar to how some modern smartphones charge wirelessly. To ensure a full charge, it's recommended to keep the key in the ignition for at least 30 minutes during a drive. It's important to note that not all BMW X5 keys are rechargeable. Newer models, especially those with comfort access, typically use a replaceable coin cell battery, like a CR2032. These keys do not charge in the ignition. If your remote functions stop working with this type of key, you'll need to replace the battery, not try to charge it. To maximize your key battery's lifespan, consider alternating between two keys if you have them. This ensures both batteries get regular charging cycles. Also, try to avoid leaving your key in extreme hot or cold temperatures, as this can degrade battery performance over time. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.